Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to be talking about the Cen-Tech inspection camera from Harbor Freight. Basically it's a screen with a long rod or wire that has a camera at the end and a LED flashlight at the end, and it's real small and you can get it in between like small holes, and to do inspections. Let's say you got something inside your walls, and you want to know what's in there. Just do a hole and just put that in there and turn it, and eventually you can see what's inside without tearing up the whole wall. Or if you're a mechanic and you're doing, if you want to do a piston inspection, what you do is just take out the spark plug and just put that little camera in there, and you can see what's going on. Alright, this is the case. Comes in a hard case with locks and handle. Alright, this is the box, the inside of the case. This is it's a 3.5 inch display, as you can see right there. It does have a waterproof camera, just in case you get it wet. I mean, it's probably not, this part is probably not waterproof, but the camera end probably is. So this is the connector, and this is the camera. Check it out here. Show you guys the camera. That's the little camera thing. It's 30. This wire thing is 39 inches. It does have a 5 times optical zoom. You can use this with the USB laptop, or you can use it with the little SD card. There's the SD slot. You got the DC to charge it, and then you got the USB, and then you got the TV connector, which the wires are included. Yeah, I'll take this out of the box, that way you guys can see it better. I'll take whatever's in here and take everything out of the box. Alright, this is the inspection wire and camera. This is the plug-in to the receiver, and that's the camera side. Now this is the part that was 39 inches. This is the charger. Hold on. Two separate things here. This is the charger where you plug it in, where it says DC. And this is the camera part, the camera connection, where you can plug this to a TV. So, and this is the wire. You could plug this into your computer via USB. So, alright, you basically get this part, I guess. You get this part and stick it in here. It does have like a little channel. As you can see, it has a little tab, so you can't go wrong with it. Let's see. Once you put it in there, just screw it in. That way you can get your connection in there. Once you get it in there, you press the on button. Here, I'll turn off the light, see if you guys could see it better. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty detailed. Here, I'm gonna put it in here. It's inside of a okay, this is the hole I'm gonna put it through. It's my keyboard from my Mac. So I'm gonna put this in there. And I want to show you guys what it looks like. Go into my little USB port. There you go. See? You can see all the components in the USB. That's a USB port, so that's a real small hole right there. Let's see if I can stick it in there. No, it's not. Anyways, well, you guys could mess with it. It does have like a little where you can zoom and zoom out. See? So if I can show you guys what I mean. Sorry guys, it's hard to it has a button right there. You guys could record. You guys can play it when you guys recorded. You know, you got your settings right there. You can do color, black and white, the format, the video format, help, and advanced settings, date and time, language, TV out, all the fun stuff. Pretty basic, but it's a handy machine here. It does come with the batteries inside. Batteries are down here. It's like a power pack that it comes with. Display size, it's 3.5. It's an LCD. The resolution is 320 by 240 megapixel or pixels. I mean, all this is plastic. This is rubber. This is the soft touch buttons. It's a pretty good little tool here. Yeah, this is my quick review on this Cen-Tech high resolution digital video inspection camera from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.